Welcome to my video. My name is Salabi Alfaida. Good day everyone. This is the fourth presentation. Today, I am going to discuss one of the most exciting and important skills in volleyball, which is attacking, also known as spiking. Attacking is the action of hitting the ball forcefully over the net with the goal of scoring a point. Spiking is usually the third contact of the team after the pass and the set. It requires proper timing, straight coordination, and accuracy. Now, let's talk about the basic steps in attacking. First is the approach. The approach is the movement of the player before jumping. It usually consists of 3 to 4 steps. For right-handed players, it is left, right, left, while for left-handed players, it is right, left, right. The purpose of the approach is to gain momentum and prepare the body for the powerful jump. Second is the take off after the approach. The player jump using both feet. The knees should be slightly bent and the arms should swing backward first, then forward and upward to help lift the body high head. A strong take off helps the player reach a higher point for hitting the ball. Third is the arm swing. While is the air, the hitting arms and pulled back with the elbow high, and the non-hitting arms is used for balance. The player should keep their eyes on the ball at all times. Now, let's talk about the importance of attacking. Attacking is important because it's the main way to score points in volleyball. A strong and well-timed spike can make it difficult for the opponent to defend. There are also different types of attack. These include the open spike, quick attack, and back row attack. Its type depends on the position of the player and the set of the ball. To improve attacking skills, players should practice timing, jumping, ability, and arm strength. Communication with the setter is also very important to execute a successful attack. In conclusion, attacking or spiking in volleyball is a combination of proper technical, timing, and power by mastering the steps such as approach, take-off, arm, swing, contact, follow-through, and landing. A player can become an effective attacker. That's all. Thank you.